Why tiny daily deeds win Allah's favour in a hustle world. We live in a world where everyone is chasing something: money, success, side hustles. Everyone is grinding in a building, trying to make it. But when was the last time you paused and thanked Allah for another day, another breath, another chance, another opportunity? Because you can have success and still feel empty if you forget Allah. We think we have to choose success or faith. But real success is when both exist together. We go hard for Allah, then burn out and disappear. That connection fades and guilt takes over. Motivation, burnout, guilt, repeat. We never forget our phones, but we forget Allah. The Prophet said, "The most beloved deeds to Allah are the consistent ones, even if small." Allah doesn't want extremes. He wants consistency. Your life is shaped by what you do daily. Your habits shape your heart, your focus, your future. Start your day with gratitude. Alhamdulillah. That one habit can change everything. Dhikr can be done anywhere, anytime. One verse a day is enough to transform you. Seek forgiveness daily. Clean your heart. Your work becomes worship if your intention is for Allah. You don't need to choose. Include Allah in your success. Real success is peace, barakah, and connection with Allah. One day, everything stops, except your deeds. Pick one small habit and stay consistent. That one small act could change your entire life. What habit are you starting today? Comment below. Don't just chase success. Chase the one who controls it.